Did you know that the average professional wastes 40% of their workday on low-priority tasks? Yet those who master priority management achieve 80% of their goals through focusing on the vital 20%. Organizations with poor priority management suffer constant firefighting, missed deadlines, and wasted resources. They struggle with strategic execution when teams can't distinguish between urgent and important tasks. For individuals, ineffective prioritization leads to stress, overtime, and work quality issues. Teams experience project delays, conflicting priorities, and burnout from tackling too many initiatives simultaneously. This focused program transforms chaos into clarity. Through practical frameworks and tools, participants learn to identify, organize, and execute their most important work. The program develops crucial skills including strategic thinking, time allocation, decision-making, and delegation. Participants master techniques for managing multiple demands effectively. Organizations implementing this training see immediate impact, 45% reduction in missed deadlines and improved strategic goal achievement. Resource allocation and team productivity show significant enhancement. Participants gain control over their workload and reduce stress, while teams benefit from clearer focus and better results. Transform your organization's effectiveness through better priority management. Enroll now to develop professionals who consistently deliver what matters most.